Improving wire bonding in RF, radio frequency, and microwave applications requires careful attention to several key factors to ensure high performance and reliability. Here are some strategies to improve wire bonding in RF and microwave applications. Wire material selection. Choose the appropriate wire material for RF and microwave applications. Gold wire is often preferred due to its excellent conductivity and corrosion resistance. Gold wire also has good high-frequency characteristics, making it suitable for RF and microwave applications. Additionally, consider the wire diameter and surface finish to optimize performance at higher frequencies. Bonding tool and process optimization. Use specialized bonding tools and optimize the bonding process parameters for RF and microwave applications. This includes selecting the right bonding tool geometry, optimizing ultrasonic energy, and controlling the bonding force to achieve consistent and reliable bonds. Fine-tune the bonding process to minimize wire deformation and achieve precise bond placement, which is critical for maintaining signal integrity at high frequencies. Wire loop design. Design wire loops carefully to minimize inductance and capacitance effects at RF and microwave frequencies. Minimizing the length and height of wire loops can reduce parasitic effects and maintain signal integrity. Additionally, consider using specialized loop designs, such as low-profile loops, to minimize the impact on high-frequency performance. Wire bonding inspection and quality control. Implement rigorous inspection and quality control processes to ensure the integrity of wire bonds in RF and microwave applications. Use advanced inspection techniques, such as automated optical inspection and electrical testing, to verify the quality of wire bonds. Detecting and addressing any defects early in the process is crucial for maintaining high reliability in RF and microwave circuits. Wire bonding process environment. Control the wire bonding process environment to minimize interference and maintain signal integrity. Shielding the wire bonding equipment and process from external electromagnetic interference can help prevent signal degradation. Additionally, consider the impact of factors such as temperature and humidity on the wire bonding process, as these can affect the performance of RF and microwave circuits. Wire bonding process simulation and modeling. Utilize simulation and modeling tools to predict the behavior of wire bonds at RF and microwave frequencies. This can help optimize the wire bonding process and design to minimize signal loss, impedance mismatch, and other performance-limiting factors. By focusing on these key areas, manufacturers can improve wire bonding in RF and microwave applications, leading to enhanced performance, reliability, and signal integrity in high-frequency circuits.